Hi, everyone. I just wanted to let you know that my cross country journey of nearly 4 months, 9,000 miles, and 17 states total has come to its conclusion. I know, kids, I know. But as George Harrison once sang, all things must pass, and this too must come to its end. This was a journey of healing for me as much as anything, and I had not intended on creating this little vlog of sorts or even putting my face on the internet, but here we are, and I think this has been kind of fun in a sense. I'm going to continue to go out and adventure and do some interesting things and visit some good places along the way, but as far as this trip goes, it is in a sense complete. Now, I'd like to make a larger video of the states that I recently visited during that time, but that would be, I think, too much to do. And I saw so many things in the state of Arizona alone where I spent most of that time. I don't even know where to begin. So I'm just going to put together this little montage and show you a lot of the cool things that I saw and share it with you right now. Here it is. Take a look. Greetings from the Grand Canyon. It is ridiculously clear here. You can see to the other side with no problem whatsoever. Greetings from the Vista Badlands Wilderness in the northwest corner of New Mexico. I'm here at Tonto National Monument in central Arizona. Greetings from Vermilion Cliffs in northern Arizona. I'm way off trail here somewhere. One famous place I'm in. Stand on the corner literally right here. Mono Lake, California. I'm here at the Granite Mountain Hotshot Memorial outside of Yarnell, Arizona. Greetings from the Dana's Inn Wilderness. Greetings from Tombstone, Arizona, lawless land of the Wild West. Greetings from the Stand By Me Bridge in Northern California. Do you hear a train coming? Behind me is Owens Lake. I'm here at Lake Powell, or what's left of it. I'm up here on Tioga Pass Road leading into Yosemite. This is about 9,100 feet up. Greetings from the Colorado River at the bottom of the Grand Canyon. Greetings from outside of Flagstaff, Arizona, just north in the experimental forest here, part of the Coconino National Forest. This is one of the most magical places I have ever been in my entire life.
Greetings from Oregon.